Best motorcycle for beginners: Kawasaki Ninja 400R. For many individuals, the journey into the exhilarating world of motorcycling begins with the crucial decision of selecting the perfect motorcycle. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R has earned a strong reputation as one of the best motorcycles for beginners due to its winning combination of style, performance, and user-friendly features. In this comprehensive review, we will delve into the reasons why the Kawasaki Ninja 400R is an excellent choice for novice riders, covering its design, performance, safety features, and overall appeal. Sleek and sporty design. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R stands out with its sleek and sporty design. This motorcycle is a visual representation of the Kawasaki brand's commitment to dynamic aesthetics and performance. With its sharp lines, aerodynamic fairings, and twin headlamps, the Ninja 400R embodies the sport bike look and feel. It exudes an undeniable appeal for riders who appreciate a blend of style and speed. Lightweight and nimble. One of the key strengths of the Kawasaki Ninja 400R is its lightweight and nimble design. Weighing in at around 366 pounds, this motorcycle is incredibly easy to handle, making it a perfect choice for beginners. The low seat height and rider-friendly ergonomics ensure that riders can comfortably touch the ground, instilling greater confidence and control. These attributes make the Ninja 400R an ideal companion for those starting their motorcycling journey. Impressive parallel twin engine. Powering the Kawasaki Ninja 400R is a potent 399cc parallel twin engine that delivers around 44 horsepower. This engine provides a thrilling amount of power for a beginner's motorcycle, allowing for exhilarating acceleration and confidence-inspiring highway performance. The Ninja 400R's engine is designed to be user-friendly and easy to manage, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an exciting yet approachable motorcycle. Sport bike handling. Kawasaki has designed the Ninja 400R to offer sport bike-like handling characteristics. Its agile frame, responsive suspension, and sport-oriented tires provide a precise and nimble feel on the road. The lightweight build and well-tuned chassis encourage riders to develop their skills and gain confidence, making this motorcycle a rewarding choice for those interested in sporty riding. Safety features. Safety is a paramount concern for novice riders, and the Kawasaki Ninja 400R doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a range of safety features to enhance rider confidence. The motorcycle features an anti-lock braking system, ABS, as standard, which is a critical safety feature. ABS prevents will lock up during hard braking, allowing riders to maintain control during emergency stops or in challenging road conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. The Ninja 400R offers a comfortable riding position with an upright handlebar and a well-padded seat. The ergonomic design ensures that riders can enjoy extended journeys without experiencing excessive strain or fatigue. This comfort is a key consideration for beginners who want a bike that allows them to experience the thrill of riding without discomfort. Kawasaki reliability. Kawasaki has built a reputation for producing reliable and durable motorcycles, and the Ninja 400R is no exception. This motorcycle is designed to withstand the rigors of daily riding and provide dependable performance. Kawasaki's extensive network of dealerships and service centers ensures that riders have access to support, maintenance, and spare parts, which is particularly advantageous for novice riders. Customization and personalization. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R offers a range of accessories and customization options, allowing riders to personalize their motorcycles to their liking. Whether it's adding a windscreen, different exhaust options, or unique styling components, the Ninja 400R can be tailored to create a distinct and individualized riding experience. Affordable price point. Affordability is a significant consideration for beginners, and the Kawasaki Ninja 400R is attractively priced compared to many other sport-oriented motorcycles. This makes it an accessible entry point into the world of sport bikes, allowing novice riders to enjoy an exciting and dynamic riding experience without breaking the bank. Resale value. Kawasaki motorcycles typically hold their value well, and the Ninja 400R is no exception. If a beginner rider decides to upgrade to a larger or more powerful motorcycle in the future, the Ninja 400R is likely to retain a significant portion of its initial value, which can be a financial advantage. Conclusion. In the realm of motorcycles for beginners, the Kawasaki Ninja 400R stands out as a compelling choice for those looking to combine sporty styling, performance, and accessibility. Its sleek design, lightweight and agile build, sport bike handling, and modern safety features make it an ideal motorcycle for new riders. The Ninja 400R strikes a balance between power and approachability, allowing beginners to experience the excitement of motorcycling while building their riding skills and confidence. Kawasaki's reputation for reliability, customization options, and the motorcycle's budget-friendly price point further enhance its appeal. In conclusion, the Kawasaki Ninja 400R is an outstanding option for beginner riders, offering an exhilarating and secure introduction to the world of motorcycling, all within an affordable budget. Whether you're a novice rider seeking to explore the thrill of sport bike riding or an experienced rider looking for a dynamic and approachable machine, the Ninja 400R is a motorcycle that's certain to provide a thrilling and satisfying riding experience.